Hi everyone, Simon Miglic here, and in this video I will show you inside Teds Woodworking. So as you can see, I'm inside the members area. I got this product for myself, and I would like to just give you a review, show you what you get once you join. And anytime if you want to join on this website, there will be the button or link below the video. You can click and join Teds Woodworking and get instant access. So what you get inside once you join, you get lifetime access to everything. You get VIP newsletter, free updates for members, and free bonuses every single month. So immediately once you will get inside the members area, you will have the option to get the DVD edition to save time, actually, because you have to download these plans and projects. So you can just order one single DVD for 19.95 or two DVD editions with all upgrades for 29.95 and save yourself time. But anyway, this is just optional. You don't have to take this if you don't want, because you already have all the plans here. So you have here in the navigation menu, you have main woodworking plans. You have part 1, part 2. You have guides, tips, resources. I will show you inside right now. You have different woodworking videos. You can see live. Actually, you can get access to uh, videos and see how to actually create, how to do a certain project. Okay, so I will open here video, this one, and I'll show you how this person actually is building, uh, doing a project. So here you can see different videos. You can watch this if you want. You have multiple videos here on the right side. You can go and watch. Okay, so you have a lot of videos here. You will see there is hundreds of videos that you can go and watch, different plans, actually different projects, and you can just model, follow. You get some ideas on different things that you can create and get help. Okay, so another thing here is, I'll open here woodworking, really hit quickly actually woodworking plans part 1, and I will download one and I will show you actually what you get inside. So just a second, I'll download. Okay, so here you get different, actually you download a file and then you have everything. You can see how it looks. So you have all the description, you have everything you need to have to start building out whatever you want to do. You have here a list of materials. So I will zoom in really quickly. You can see, so just take a look. You have here material list on the right side, size, everything. So it's really looks really good, and it's easy to follow and do it. Okay, so this is how this looks. So there is inside this one file, there is like I think almost 100 projects that you can go and do. Okay, another thing here is get DVG viewer download, view woodworking videos, get DVD edition. You have get actual special members offers, and here you have recommended books and monthly members bonuses that you can get. So just take a look. You have different here like art woodworking guide, uh, box building basics for beginners, uh, coffee table woodworking plan, and different. Every month you will get different bonuses here, different plans for different things that you can do. Okay, so this is what you get inside this woodworking. So guys, if you are interested and would like to join, actually get access to those plans, I really highly suggest you get these this woodworking plans, because it's really nice, actually easy to follow, easy to do, and it's really worth the money you pay for it. Okay, so here under, if you look, I actually go under main woodworking plans part 1. You can see here is woodworking projects compilation 1 and 2, big book of woodworking plans, outdoor furniture plans. Then you have the most popular collection of plans here furniture around the house, craft, fun items, the outdoor collection, starter projects, and here woodworking plant part 2 you have access to uh, different anything you want, bridge, boxes, carts, chairs, coffee tables, desk doors, everything, mirror, mailbox, everything. You can just click and just download the plan and start building. Okay, so you can see here is downloading a zip file. So I'll open really quickly and show you an example. House plans. So I'll open this one, 2 bedroom. Okay, so here you have different plans for the house. Okay, so this is it, guys. So if you're interested, I would like to invite you to join Teds Woodworking. Below this video I will leave the button you can click, or if you're watching on YouTube, there will be the link below the video in the description. uh, get in, actually just go click the link and join Teds Woodworking and start building your projects. And this is it, guys. Thank you. If you have any questions, let me know.